How to uninstall Roshade shaders on Roblox. Welcome to Let Me Help, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. Starting off, all you have to do is click on your file explorer, then select on the download button from here in your left hand side. Navigate to your Roshade setup and click on it. An installer will open up of your Roshade. At the bottom of install, you will see an uninstall button. I don't have it here as I have not installed Roshade for me. If you have it, you will find the uninstall button. Just click on it. By this way, you'll be able to uninstall your Roshade shaders on Roblox. To download it again, just search for Roshade download. From here, you can select on either the Pro version or the Lite version of it. Just click on the download button to download it again for your Roblox. And that is how you can easily uninstall your Roshade shaders on Roblox. If you face any of the difficulty regarding the process, firstly try to restart your PC and try it again. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.